romantic.
Romántico. ¿Qué hay?
But what? ¿Por qué? Well, he says to get back, Christmas. There he goes. Hi. Oh. Hi, guy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Lovely. Oh, I'm sitting down now. You got a camera? Oh, no. Oh, yeah, you got the camera. Good stuff.
Taking him out?
No, ¿dónde lo lleva?
Go for a little ride.
He's going to sit there and eat for a bit.
Oh, he's like mocking all of his friends.
Brings him back for his
I don't know.
Oye, princesa. Princesa mía.
The familia.
Like princesa.
Oh, she's a princess?
It's like princesa, my princess. Esta es la misma isla, se mira rara. Es el nivel de agua que subió, ¿verdad?
Here comes another one.
Oh, look at
Oh,
her.
he's just trying to eat them all before he gets there.
She saw her coming, she picked both of them.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, watch out for that stick. Here they come. Oh my gosh. Oh, good. Hi, monkey guys. Okay, awesome. Vámonos. Oh, vámonos. Se va a
That's
ir.
a fat monkey. That's not a...
Oh, I hope chocolate ain't bad for them like dogs. Oh, here we go. Just stay chill. Stay chill. Stay chill. It's cool.
No. Dale. No touch, okay? Just touch it. Don't touch the monkey, okay?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he found the other one.
Sacalo ya que se va.
Oh, I thought I had hemorrhoids. No.
You had hemorrhoids?
Let me get him.
Okay, let's go.
Yay.
That was a little, right? Yeah, I
was
know.
awesome.
I get a little, like,
He crawled in our leg, crawled in our leg.
hairy beast. You old hairy beast.
Sweetie.
Woo, we did it. Yeah, and Sam got all of that footage.
Those big balls on here. Some fruit or something hanging.
Yeah,
Like
from the
coconut.
fruit. Just watch your face.
Okay.
I'm joking.
Well, does it fling pollen?
Rod just being dramatic. Okay, here we go.
So that?
Pull it down. Put it down.
Okay.
Pull it
Oh,
down.
pull this part.
Ready?
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. That's very cool.
She's like, that's an extra tip, all right?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
I'll take it.
Gracias.
Yeah.
That was wild.
Pretty crazy.
His tail smacked me in the face.
Did it?